Welcome back to Richly Small, where we take a look at tiny living in a richly fulfilling way. Today we're going to be looking at the Halcyon by Fritz Tiny Homes. This home is 28 feet long by 8.6 feet wide and around 250 square feet, and it includes a large living area with a bunk bed sofa, full-size bathroom, full kitchen, and upstairs bedroom. The kitchen is equipped with a full-size sink, fridge, 4-burner stove, oven, and washer-dryer. The Halcyon is a tiny home on wheels that can be moved to any location that you wish. If you like this home, it starts off at $144,000 USD, and the link is below if you'd like to inquire. We love the modern design with touches of wood to make it feel warm. We give it a 4 out of 5 stars for overall design. As always, please subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next one.